Hi everyone, my name is Ava Marsh and I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Hailey Bieber effortless waves. For this look, what you're going to need is a heat protectant. I just am going to be using the Kenra Color Maintenance Thermal Spray. This is my favorite heat protectant. Straightener. And you can use just a straightener for this look, but I'm going to be using a straightener and a curling iron. This is just the Bio-Ionic 1-inch curling iron. Okay, here are the inspo pictures. I'm going to just kind of put them somewhere on the screen. This is the kind of look we're going for. It's just like an effortless, beachy wave. Has curls and mermaid waves in there, and I love this look, so that's what we're going to be going for today. Hello?
Hi, Ava.
Hi. I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into just 2 sections. And then I'm taking, this is going to be a pretty big section here on the bottom and just like a tiny little section on the top. We're not trying to make this look super uniform, so we don't need to go crazy with like the same sectioning and all that. So I'm going to be taking my flat iron and I'm going to be taking a little section. You can do whatever size sections you want to do, and we're going to be creating a wave. So we're going to take this flat iron and we're going to go over like this, and then we're going to go under and then over and then under and then over. So then it's going to create something that looks like that. And you're going to kind of just go around your head and take different sections. And I'm going to be taking my curling iron and I'm going to be taking another little section like this, and I'm going to be doing a beachy wave. The goal for this look is to make it like super like beachy, messy, so you don't have to be super precise with how you do it. Right, so here's like my first section. Super cute, I'm loving it so far. I'm gonna move on to the second side. Same thing, gonna take a section just right over my ear and I'm gonna do a wave. So again, I take my iron and I'm gonna clamp at the top and I'm just gonna do like a waving motion. Then we're going to take the next section and we're going to do the same thing. Just going to wave it. And do a beachy curl. I have a tutorial on how to do beach waves. I will make sure it's linked right here at the top. This look is basically all up to you. You're gonna alternate between doing like a wave with a flat iron and then a beachy curl. We're just going for like a lot of texture in this hairstyle. Now that we have our first section, I'm going to be taking the It's a 10. This is the Blow Dry Miracle Texture Spray. You can use any texture spray. This is my favorite. I use it in the salon. I'm going to spray it all around this bottom section and kind of brush it out. Just give it some texture. For my front sections, I'm going to do a beachy curl because that's what I like better. So I'm going to take my face frame and do just a super beachy curl. Now, again, I'm going to be taking my texture spray and I'm just going to be spraying all over, raking it out with my fingers as I spray. front pieces are a little too curly. So I'm going to go ahead and take my straightening iron and I'm just going to run through them really quickly. Just kind of calm them down a little bit. So what I noticed with Hailey Bieber's look is her hair isn't like super volume textured right at the top. She's more like sleek, and so we're going to keep it like kind of sleek here at the top. And so what I do is after I put all my texture spray out, brush it out, I go through it and I see what pieces need what. And that's kind of up to you. If you think you need to throw a curl there, then throw a curl. If you think you need to do another wave, then throw a wave. And my finishing touch is I'm going to be taking this Olaplex oil. And I'm going to take a little in my hands, rub it together in my hands, and I'm going to go ahead and smooth over all of my hair. This is what it should be looking like.